In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon code in Stripe. Whether you're looking to boost your sales, reward loyal customers, or run a promotional campaign, creating a coupon in Stripe is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's dive right into the steps. First, let's head over to Stripe.com. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll need to sign in to access your account. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. You'll be directed to the login page where you're asked to input your credentials. Enter your email and password carefully to avoid any issues logging in. After entering your information, click the sign in button once more to proceed to your dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. This is your hub for managing transactions, products, and customer relations. Now, our goal is to create a coupon. Begin by navigating back to the home section of your dashboard. From here, locate and click on Product Catalog. This section is where you manage all the products and pricing options associated with your account. Within the product catalog, look for a subsection labeled Coupons. This is where you'll control and create all your discount codes. Click on it. Once you're in the Coupons section, search for the Create Coupon button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking this button will take you to the coupon creation form, where you can start crafting your promotional offer. First up on the form, you'll need to give your coupon a name. This name should be something relevant and easy to understand for both you and your customers. After naming your coupon, decide on the type of discount you'd like to offer. This could be a percentage off a purchase, a fixed amount discount, or even free shipping. Choose the option that best meets your promotional needs. Next, you'll set the duration of your coupon. Are you planning for this to be a one-time offer, a recurring discount, or something that lasts indefinitely? Each option has its advantages depending on your sales strategy. With the duration set, let's move on to redemption limits. Here you can specify how many times the coupon can be used or set it to be unlimited. This decision depends on how exclusive you want the promotion to be. Once you've made all your selections and filled out the necessary fields, double check everything to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and click the Create Coupon button to finalize the process. And just like that, you've created a coupon code in Stripe that can enhance your promotional efforts. Don't forget to share it with your customers and start seeing the positive impact on your sales. Thank you for watching and happy selling.